So today is Monday, January 14th. It's about 12, it's a little bit after noon. And just wanted to make an update on the interior of the house. So I pretty much got all the walls framed up. The only wall I'm missing is this wall that separates the living room from the closets. These are the closets here. This is the closet for the master bedroom. This is the closet for the second bedroom. So this wall, the wall heater will be right here. So it took me a little bit longer than I had anticipated because the walls are so tall. They're 12 foot or just a little under 12 foot with the top plates and everything. So let's see. I also when I took the collar ties off there, I had 1x4 used for my collar ties. So I had the thought of using these instead of the collar ties on the actual 2x6 rafters. So I have a little space between the rafters and the new collar ties, which I can run my wires. So that supports the wall. And then, so instead of having a pitch, it will be a little bit flat for a couple of inches, and then it'll pitch down. So just to make it easier to run my wires and to give it a little more stability, because now the two rafters on each side are tied together at another point besides just the ridge. So I still have to do my fire blocking and then my diagonal bracing. So I'm getting ready to do that now. It's just for the two main walls for the bracing, which is going to take me a little while because it's a lot of cuts. And then the other walls will have fire blocks, but no bracing. And then the other thing is the bathroom. So I decided to move the bathroom here so that I can make the kitchen bigger and the second bedroom bigger. So I cut the toilet pipe there out to the septic. The old pipe, I don't know if you can see there, is on the left, and then the new pipe, I put a 90 ABS 90 on there, so it's all ready to go. I just have to put a coupler, and then I can add the existing pipe. I do have to dig out a little bit to make it back to the toilet, but it will be sloped so that of course the gravity will take the waste out to the the septic. And so then I'll build a wall here. The wall will go approximately right here for the bathroom. The door will be right here against this wall, so the door will swing out that way. The vanity will be there. Of course, the toilet will be where it's going to sit. And then the shower will be right here. So I'll probably put a smaller window, take this window out, put a smaller window in for above the shower. Or I may pull that skylight out of the old bathroom and put it in this one. And then I may have to, because of the spacing, I'm thinking about actually turning the toilet diagonally, because the wall for the shower is going to be pretty close right here to the toilet, and then the vanity is going to be kind of right here. So turning the toilet might give me the optimum space, so that it won't be too close to the shower or too close to the vanity, and then I can it will make more sense for spacing. It won't matter as far as plumbing wise. So I'm thinking about that. Let's see what else. I think that's pretty much it. There's my 2x4s for the rest of my wall and this wall here. I'm waiting. I have to go get my doors, but I want to get a final measurement for the doors to make sure, because I don't know if I have enough room here for my trim, for the door trim. If I put the wall right there, I did make the walls of the spacing for the wall a little bit wider than is necessary, so I may be okay, but I'm going to get the doors before I actually make that final decision and build this wall. So I'm about to start the bracing now, and then once I get the bracing done, then run the wires for the house, and then I'll be ready for drywall, which will be super exciting. So that's it.